Assalamu alaikum friends, welcome to my channel MBBS and BDS lectures. Today our topic is related to histology, simple cuboidal epithelium. Before going to explanation, if you want to watch the same lecture in Urdu Hindi, I already upload the same lecture in Urdu Hindi on my YouTube channel. Go and watch that video. But if you want to watch in English language, then this video is for you. Now, in today's topic, simple cuboidal epithelium, our topic outline include number 1, definition, number 2, structure, number 3, location or distribution, and number 4, function. First, we start from definition of simple cuboidal epithelium. Arrangement of cuboidal cells in a single layer is called simple cuboidal epithelium. If cuboidal cells are arranged in a single layer is called simple cuboidal epithelium, like this single layer of cuboidal cells. Now second is structure. Structure of cuboidal epithelium consists of basement membrane on which the cuboidal cells are arranged in a single layer. And the cuboidal cell have round nuclei which is centrally placed nucleus, and the height and width of cell is equal. This is the cuboidal cells, and this is the basement membrane. On basement membrane, the cuboidal cells are arranged in a single layer. The third is location or distribution. Where in our body simple cuboidal epithelium is located. Number 1, there are 5 places on which simple cuboidal epithelium is located. Number 1, pigmented epithelium of retina. Our eye retina pigmented epithelium consists of simple cuboidal epithelium, are lined by simple cuboidal epithelium. Number 2, ducts of exocrine glands. Exocrine glands ducts are lined by simple cuboidal epithelium. Number 3, tubules of kidney. Our kidney tubules are lined by simple cuboidal epithelium. Number 4, germinal epithelium of ovary. Our ovary germinal epithelium is lined by simple cuboidal epithelium. Number 5, follicles of thyroid gland. Thyroid gland follicle are lined by simple cuboidal epithelium. These are the 5 location or distribution of simple cuboidal epithelium. Now come to the function. There are 2 functions of simple cuboidal epithelium. Number 1, secretion. Number 2, absorption. For these 2 functions, simple cuboidal epithelium is responsible: secretion and absorption. Now today we studied simple cuboidal epithelium definition, structure, location, function in detail, and our today topic is complete. If you like my video, press the like button, and if you new to my channel, subscribe my channel by pressing the red subscribe button, and also press the bell icon to open the all notification for receiving my each new video notification. For watching my videos, I am very thankful to you. Thank you very much.